Hiya, we just thought we'd give you a quick update so everyone knows how we're going to be operating for the next 4 weeks or so. In terms of the showrooms, of course they have to close. Non-essential retail, we've got to have the doors closed there, but we will have bike sales running throughout the whole period. We're going to be contactable by phone and by email, and we can still do sales remotely as we did throughout the last lockdown. We can still deliver bikes. And also the difference with this lockdown is that we are going to be able to offer a click and collect service. So we're looking at the logistics of that, but we may well be able to do that with bike sales. But certainly we can deliver bikes as well, and as I say, all phone calls and emails will be monitored. Myself and a few other members of staff will be based within the showrooms throughout the time. But please, if you come down to the showrooms and see us in there, obviously you can't come in. We've got to keep the doors closed as per the guidelines. But in every other sense of the word, the sales department is all up and running throughout the duration, so that's all good. In terms of servicing in the service centre, they will be working business as usual. They're not restricted by the new rules for this lockdown, so they can carry on as they are. If you've got a service or MOT booked or any repair work that's booked in for the next 3 or 4 weeks, by all means still come down. If you'd like to rearrange it, you're more than welcome to do so. Just give us a call on the usual number. But as far as we're concerned, we're still pushing ahead with all those appointments, unless you hear otherwise. In terms of parts, now although that's operated from the workshops, that is also retail. So with that, we can only provide parts on a click and collect basis. We can't do drop-ins for that. But if you give us a call or send us an email, then we'll be able to deal with those orders and we'll have the parts ready for you to come and collect. The same applies for clothing and accessories. Again, we're going to have Nick from the clothing department in monitoring that, keeping an eye on emails and taking phone calls. But of course we have now got the new Doble website, dobledirect.co.uk. So if you do need to order any clothing or accessories, you can order those through the website. If you don't see what you like on the website or can't find what you want on the website, just give us a call, speak to Nick, and hopefully we'll be able to get it in for you. And then again, we can either deliver it to you through courier or offer that click and collect service. So really, from the customer's point of view, everything here will be carrying on as normal with the exception of visits to the showroom. So unfortunately you won't be able to come in to look at bikes, test drive bikes and look or try on any clothing, but we're still able to sell them, still able to deliver them, still able to service them, and still able to provide you the parts for them. So hopefully the next 4 weeks or so, this will all be over and we can carry on as we are. Of course, if they do extend the lockdown, we'll be continuing this into December. But for now, from our perspective, it's pretty much business as usual. We hope all you guys and girls out there are staying safe, look after yourselves. Feel free to give us a call, drop us an email, and if you want to see us in person, and hopefully we'll see you in 4 weeks. Thanks a lot.